Next, we can see our nitrogen generators, but it's a PSA nitrogen generator. It's about it's only 12 cubic meters per hour. It's different the membrane nitrogen generators. It's separated by the carbon CMS, carbon molecular seal. Let's see. It's a Turkin system. It includes the nitrogen generator and compressor filters. You can see it's one button start stop system. You can use this. You can use this bottle. You can use these buttons. Okay, and seeing the systems, it have automatic control software, like that I have introduced in our video. Okay, it have the time maintenance alarm, and how long time it running, and how many nitrogen it have acclimated production. You can see this is a different level segment. For example, you can use different, different staff will have different chance to use it, because it have the for the staff and operator and the maintenance. Maintenance have a top priority for the systems. This is a parameter setting. You can set the different parameter and alarm systems and notification. Our alarm can be sent to your to our WeChat, that is app. That is an app, so it can realize the remote control and the remote alarms function. And you can see different equipment working status. For example, the air compressor, the filters from the touch screen, and the nitrogen generator, and the ventilation and systems. And here is the booster. You can monitor the whole process by our software. It's our very important. It play a very important role in our systems. For example, if you can see, it include all the system, all equipment, such as the air compressor, filters. This is air compressor. This is air dryer, and here is a buffer tank, and this is our filters. It's air filters, both 3-stage or 4-stage air filters, and then it's our soil. It's a nitrogen generator. It's a PSA nitrogen generator, our membrane nitrogen generator. It equipped with many accessories necessary accessories you will need. So you don't need to prepare anything. You can plug it and play. Let's see our touch screen again. There is a different language. For example, you can use English, and you can use Chinese, And we can set different, such as the French, Spanish, and Russian, as per your requirements. Okay, let's see that. It can remote stop your system and monitor the whole process of your system. Okay, and it have the different trend. For example, the flow rate, the purity, and the temperature and the alarm. It have different. You can see the trend of our system working trend. Okay. So if you are interested in our systems and you still failed in the oil and gas, and if you have any requirement about the system, you can contact with us by our website, email, or WhatsApp, WeChat.